In a blow to the National President of the Congress Sonia Gandhi and its Vice President Rahul Gandhi, the Delhi High Court today has dismissed their plea, challenging the trial court order summoning them in the National Herald case. Now we have Anisha Mathur who will take us through today's order. On what grounds has the Delhi High Court dismissed their plea?
The plea that had been taken by Sonia Gandhi and others in the National Herald case was that A, that there was no inherent criminality in the action, and B, that Subramaniam Swamy filing the complaint as the complaint filed by Subramaniam Swamy was incorrect because he did not have locus standi to file such a complaint. Now the Delhi High Court has basically dismissed all these objections raised by the Congress party. They have said that this is the transfer of shares from Associated Journals Limited to Young Indian was not a mere commercial transaction. It legitimately, a prima facie view legitimately attracts the allegations of cheating, fraud, etc. Now, what the Delhi High Court has said that the exact dimensions of which criminal which particular section of the IPC is attracted does not need to be defined at this stage, but the bird's eye view shows criminality in the transfer of shares. So that is what the Delhi High Court has said in its judgment today.
So the High Court also has made some serious observations while it's pronounced its order. So can you just spell out what the court has exactly stated in its observations?
In what is going to be a major blow to the Congress party, the Delhi High Court has said that this case is a one-of-a-kind case where the probity of the national political party is at stake. They have made comments like that the case legitimately attracts allegations of cheating. They've said that it seems that the senior office bearers of the Congress had conspired to get the debt assigned to Young Indian. In fact, if I can read out a particular statement, they have said that in the considered opinion of this court, when they are discussing the when they are discussing the problem, the objection raised regarding Subramaniam Swamy being involved in the matter, they said that the plea of locus standi cannot be restricted to typical cases of cheating and misappropriation, and especially because this is a case where the acts of the office bearers of a political party having criminal undertones is under scrutiny, and the court has said that what crops up in the mind of a prudent person is where was the need to extend such a loan and where was the need to take any such actions. Now all of this will now have to be examined by the trial court.
Yeah. So what are the legal options now in front of both these leaders? They can seek exemption or they can challenge the Delhi High Court order?
They can do both. They can challenge the Delhi High Court order before the Supreme Court. The scheduled date for the hearing before the trial court is in fact tomorrow on Tuesday. So they can appear via their lawyers through before the trial court and seek exemption from a personal appearance, which they would normally do anyway, and they can go to the Supreme Court, seek a stay on this Delhi High Court order on various grounds, saying that the Delhi High Court's decision was incorrect. We'll have to see what step they finally take.
Thanks so much, Anisha. Thanks so much for watching.